Gonna do a couple of quick speed tests on the Super Turbo scooter, and first we'll do it in economy mode, see how it does on asphalt, and then we'll turn it on to turbo, and then we'll do the same thing on grass here. So if you see the speed down there, if not, I'll let you know. About 16.5 on economy, 17 it just got up to. .5. We turn it on turbo. Get about 18.5. We'll turn around here, see if we can't get any faster. Mostly turbo, you just get going faster. It's not quite as fast. Do it on grass here. In economy, about 7 miles an hour. In turbo, I think we hit about 10 there. We're going to do one more test here to see how it can sustain the speed when it's in grass. So first we'll get up to about 18 miles an hour, and then we'll see how it does in the grass. We only slowed down to maybe 16 in the grass. I'm sure if you sustained it longer, it'd probably drop. And here's one last speed test. We're going to try it through a dirt field, a little bit of grass, see how that goes. Up to 17. 17 for a while there. Probably could do 15. Unless it gets too rough. The important part is I'm alive.